Good day, guys, and welcome to another episode of Javascript. In this episode, we will be discussing complex conditions. So, we will be going into depth into the and or factor when dealing in JavaScript. Now, in order for us to start, let us go into a very simple problem that it's really simple. Let's just get started. There's no HTML and CSS in this particular lecture, so let's put variable boy again is equal to 12. So there are 12 boys. Now this is an integer, guys. This is not a string. Okay, so it's not gonna have the quotation marks. Variable girl, and maybe you could just put boys and girls. Okay, so we're gonna put equal to 12. Perfect. Now, so we're gonna do an if statement. If boys now in this case we're gonna use the and is the two kind of ampersand symbols. So this is what represents and in JavaScript. If boys equals to 12 and girls, note guys, we're doing double equal signs. Strict equality equals to 12, well, now we're going to put the string, they are equal. I'm going to end it off and I'm going to put back some curly brackets. So if boys equals to 12 and girls equal to 12, put their equal. So we see that they're equal, right? Because both boys and girls equal to 12. Now if we want to put or, if boys equal to 12 or girls equal to 12, let's see what happens. I think we'll put they're equal to, right? But what if we change this to 15, right? So if boys equal to 12 or girls equal to 12, let's put and, because we're going to go back to the and. Sorry. If boys equal to 12 and girls equal to 12, document why they are equal. To be honest, guys, I don't think it will run because only one of them is equal to 12. Nothing happens unless, guys, we put an else statement. So let's go here. If boys equal to 12 or girls equal to 12, we're going to put back the or statement, which is right above the enter key, or girls equal to 12. I think they may say something because one of them is equal to 12. They are equal. Now, if we go back to the and, it's going to put nothing unless we put an else statement. Else document.write they are not equal. Really pretty simple, guys. So let's see, we don't even need a quotation, but let's put this, right? I'm thinking it's gonna be an else statement. The else statement, they're not gonna be equal. That's what I think. They're not equal. Do you know why? Because, guys, 12 and 15 are not equal. But in my if statement, I put if boys equal to 12 and girls. So I basically am saying that 12 I'm basically saying that this is the case. If boys is 12 and girls is 12, which is not the case, right? They are equal, right? They are not equal. So usually nothing would show. But as I put an else statement, the else allows me to put something. So the code would not run. But by putting the else statement, it's allowing the code to run, right? Clearly 12 and 15 are not equal, right? So it's basically addressing that 12 and 15 are not equal, right? Boys is 12 and girls is 12, it's not equal. So we can't say they are equal, right? But we can say they're not equal by putting the else statement. So guys, this is basically complex conditions. This is the bedrock of coding, my friends. Follow what I'm saying. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again.